Hello everyone, welcome back to GSM Tips. In today's video I will show you something useful if you're traveling abroad, if you're using a website or just you land on a website in a foreign language. You can automatically translate it so you can manage easier. So in Samsung Internet, first of all, if you land on a page and it's too much to read, you will find this button here, and you have two options: summarize and translate. So if you go to summarize, it will summarize it briefly for you, so you don't have to read through the entire page, which is very useful. Now there is this other option to translate. So if you are on a web page in a different language, for the first time when you're trying to translate, it's gonna download for you the language pack, and then you straight away you go and translate it. So just tap this button and press translate, and within seconds it will be translated in English for you, so it makes your life easier. This normally should be automatically turned on, but in case it's not turned on, you go into settings, just type search internet and go to internet settings, and you'll find under the browsing assist summarize. In case it's off, you want to turn it on, and you have the summarize and the translate options in your internet settings, and that will save you a lot of hassle of having to translate with a different app or something like that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.